Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogtober day 10. Today we are off to Mudchute farm. We're going to meet my friend and her son there, just to see the animals and have a spot of lunch. Yeah, so come and join us.
Mommy,
yeah?
and Farm's farm.
Yeah, we're going to the farm. What are you doing, Blake? What are you saying? Where are we going?
A farm.
We go farm?
Yeah.
Alright then, let's go, darling. So we just got out the car and we are on our way to meet Hannah. Come on, Blair. Uh-oh, be careful of this glass, that's dangerous. Come, baby. Blakey, slowly, darling. Blake, slowly. Blake. Oh, look, she scared it off now. You scared the squirrel off. Can you do it again, Blakey?
Blake, do it again. Ellis, give him this one. Ellis is just giving him the brown leaves. Look, Ellis, give him that. Oh, did he make? Look.
Hello. Hello. I don't have anything for you.
Look, Ellis.
Are you going to bite me? No. Should we stroke you? I'm a bit scared.
Look, there's some hay.
Jade, don't be a chicken. Oh, Blakey. That's a lovely one, isn't it? Baby doesn't want all the dirty leaves. Don't kiss him. Do not kiss him. Do not kiss him. Is that your friend, darling?
And look, here comes the other one, Blair.
Do not kiss him. Do not kiss him. Oh, he's so exciting. Yeah? What's that?
Triangle.
Triangle. Wow, so clever. Where's the squirrels? The squirrels are up in the trees.
No.
Yeah?
Circle.
Where's it? Oh, where's a circle?
What circle?
I'm not sure. Should we look for a circle shape?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's look for a circle shape, darling. Oh, did you hear that noise he made? Is he sneezing? Yeah, what's he doing? Oh, he's doing a poo. Have we seen the animals today? What animals have we seen?
Mommy?
Yeah? What one do you want? squirrel. We had a squirrel come up to us, didn't we? Yeah. And what are we doing now? We having lunch? Yeah. You having lunch, Blakey?
No.
No. So we're back in the car now. I am a sweaty mess. Who knew it was going to be so sunny out today? I did hear that it was going to be a lot hotter, but I didn't actually believe it. But it is actually really warm out today. Mudchute farm was great. We actually went there, me and my partner took the boys there when they was, I think, 3, and it was so much smaller and quite boring. So I was a bit like, you know, it's just gonna be a little farm. But we went there today, it's actually really big. The animals are lovely and well kept. The girls loved it. So yeah, definitely be visiting there again. We are just about to drive home. They've actually missed their nap. Blake had about a 10-minute nap. No, actually longer. Blake had about a 20-minute nap just now, but she probably could do some more. Blair hasn't napped, so I have 2 miserable girls who are definitely going to sleep on the way home. Blair, did you enjoy the farm? Yeah? Was it good? What animal did you like? What animal did you see? Huh? Horsey. What else did you see? But what did you see?
Sheep.
Sheep. Good girl. What else did you see?
Pig.
Pigs. And what colour were the pigs?
Oink.
Oink. No, that's what noise they make. What colour was the pigs? Oh wow, that is a very good pig impersonation. Blakey, did you have fun? Tired. So yeah guys, we're about to drive home now. Yeah, drive home, that's it. Hi guys, so I'm back home. I feel and look shattered. It was a bit of a long day. It's always long when you've got the 2 girls by yourself. It's just like a major task. But yeah, I didn't get to finish off the video in the car because Blake started screaming, so I cut it off. Yeah, but that's today's vlog all done, guys. Thank you for watching. Not too sure what I'm going to do tomorrow. Maybe some sort of, no, I'm not sure. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and leave me any comments. I'd love to read them. So see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.